Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is DigiThon, digital marathon series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges, and in this particular video I am going to ask you the 40th challenge. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see our challenge. Friends, the challenge is on your screen where you have to design a pulse width stretcher to double the width of the input pulse as shown below. Here you have to design this pulse stretcher. It has two inputs, pulse input and clock. Pulse input is 1 bit long. It has one output, pulse output. It is also 1 bit long only. On this pulse input, there will appear the pulses of any number of clock cycles. And corresponding to that pulse, this pulse stretcher will generate a pulse at the pulse output signal, and the width of the pulse at the pulse output signal should be double the pulse appearing at the pulse input signal. Let me show you with the help of the diagrams. This is the clock input. This is the pulse input. So the first pulse appears and its width is 2 clock cycles. And corresponding to this pulse stretcher will generate a pulse at the pulse output signal which should have a width of 4 clock cycles. So this is the output, expected output. And then again one pulse appears at the pulse input which is of 1 clock cycle only. So as per our pulse stretcher logic, the pulse stretcher logic will generate a pulse of 2 clock cycles at the pulse output. So this is our expected output. Now you have to design this pulse stretcher digital design logic. And with this you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If something comes to your mind, please write down in the comment section so that we can start a discussion there. Otherwise, I will reveal its solution in the solution series of DigiThon. You can go through it. Its link will appear in the description section as well as in the I-bar section. With this, I am going to end this video. I hope that this video will be quite informative for all of you. If you also like this video, please press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time.